Next, let's set up shipping so customers know how much delivery costs. Shipping is one of the first things customers check before they buy. They want to know how much it costs and how long it'll take. What we're setting up here are the rules. How much you charge for shipping based on order size, weight, or destination. You're not shipping anything right now, you're just telling Shopify what to display at checkout. In your settings left side menu, click Shipping and Delivery. Next, click into your general profile. Here we can see that we essentially have one shipping zone, so we're just offering domestic shipping in the United States. You can change your shop location by clicking up here, and you can even add international shipping below if you want, but let's focus on domestic for now. This shop by default has two types of shipping: standard, with different rates for different order values, and then express for a higher price. Let's edit this so that there's free shipping on orders that are $75 and up, not $70 and up. We'll go to the one that says 70 and up and click the three dots to the right and click Edit Shipping option. We'll change the minimum from 70 to 75. And here you can see a preview of what that looks like. Click Done in the upper right. And then let's update the other standard so that the maximum this is available for is $74.99. And this will cost $8. You can also adjust it to whatever shipping price makes sense in your situation, which I highly recommend you do. You can add shipping options by clicking the Add Shipping option button. Here, you can set your rate type. By default, it's set to flat, but you can also change it to be based on order amount or weight. We had our other standard based on order amount. You can also add carrier or app calculated. I'll show you how to do that. For example, let's say you want to use FedEx. You can click to add services and then pick which FedEx services you want to use. Let's say 2-day, ground, overnight, and priority overnight. Click Done. Now Shopify will calculate the shipping rate based on what these different services normally charge based on your packaging dimensions and weight. Here you can also add a handling fee as a percentage or a dollar amount so that you can charge a little bit of margin in case the shipping rate isn't calculated exactly right and you need a little buffer. I generally recommend doing at least $5 for handling. This can also help cover your packaging costs. And then here's a sample below of what that looks like. We'll click Done in the upper right. When you configure shipping based on the different handlers here, you can also use Shopify to help you buy and print shipping labels at discounted rates. So this is super handy. I recommend keeping your estimated delivery dates set to automated because this tells customers when they can expect delivery. And finally, if you plan to ship internationally, make sure you add your additional shipping options here. When you're done making changes to your shipping settings, be sure to click Save in the top bar.